In a quiet corner of the world, there's a house. Not just any house, mind you, but one that sings a lullaby of peace and serenity. The manicured lawn, the whisper of the wind through the trees, and the soft glow from the windows all paint a picture of tranquility. But like any good story, there's a conflict hidden away from the surface. Nestled in the uppermost reaches of this idyllic abode, the attic holds a secret. A silent invader, mold, has taken residence, creeping along the wooden beams, roof sheathing and insulation, unseen and unchecked, until now. The discovery of the problem comes as a surprise. A routine trip to the attic uncovers the unwelcome guest. A chill runs down the spine as the beam of a flashlight illuminates the extent of the mold contamination problem. The once safe and secure space is now a breeding ground for decay and structural damage. But every story needs a hero. And in this case, it's a team of restoration technicians at Lakeshore Restoration LLC, your mold removal expert contractor. Their caravan of vehicles rolls up, the early morning light playing off their polished surfaces. Equipment is unloaded with practiced efficiency, each piece a vital part of the solution to our unfolding drama. Ladders, foggers, sprayers will start playing its magic very soon. The process of restoration begins. It's painstaking, meticulous, and hard work, under very hard conditions, with low visibility, poor ventilation, and in confined spaces. Each piece of mold-infested insulation is removed, bagged, and disposed of properly. All joists and sheathing surfaces are vacuumed, scrubbed, and sprayed with approved and effective chemicals. Slowly but surely, the attic is cleared of its unwanted occupants. The final stage of the process is a transformation. The once dark and mold-ridden attic is now a well-lit, clean, and decontaminated space. The air is fresh, free from the musty scent of decay. The insulation and wood are as they were before, untouched by the ravages of mold. In the end, the house stands as it was, a beacon of peace in a bustling world. The attic, once a problem area, is now restored to its original state. It's a testament to the power of vigilance, professional expertise, and the unwavering desire to restore order from chaos. The house, like its owners, can breathe easy once again. If you have a mold problem in your attic, call Lakeshore Restoration LLC at 920-2211-440 for a free estimate.